Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anu. And before we get too much into this video, why don't you follow me on Instagram? I'm the Glam Frau there, and also here on YouTube. Today's look is this soft glam look I created using the new Nabla Cosmetics mini palettes. But before that, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get into this video. Like I said, three new palettes, mini palettes, cutie palettes from Nabla. I'm going in with the Metropolitan palette, and as you can see, the colors are amazing. Before we pop on the shadows, I'm just going in with an eyeshadow primer so that the colors really pop. Then I'm taking the deepest shade in the palette called Lord and putting that in my crease and slowly buffing it out and blending it inwards. Next, going in with that beautiful coral shade in this palette called Nothing Personal. I'm just taking it on a fluffy brush and just blending it outwards towards my brow bone. Next, using the same eyeshadow primer, I'm just cutting my crease. I'm doing a half cut crease and look at these shimmers. Oh my god, the shimmers on this palette are amazing. I'm using my finger to put in the shade called Anomalia. I hope I'm saying that correctly. But this is this true gold, beautiful vintage gold kind of color. And then I'm also using a brush to get into the corners. Next, going in with the same deep brown shade called Lord, I'm just darkening up the outer V and just making sure everything is seamless on the crease. Next, going in with the shade Nothing Personal, the coral color, just bringing that onto my lower lash line and also using Lord to just deepen the lower lash line a little bit. Next, going in with my favorite NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, I'm just creating a wing liner. Also going in eventually with a black gel liner in my lower lash line or waterline if you may. This is from Colourpop. I really love it. Added a set of fluffy lashes. That looks amazing. And then MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lipstick in Little Tamed. I'm going in with my finger to smudge that out because I want a soft lip look and then topping that up with the So Juicy gloss from Colourpop. Putting on my favorite earrings at the moment, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the look for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before you go, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, see you.